Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Tumblr app. All you have to do, you just go down, click on this sign down here. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to this list on your profile. Then all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it here. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list. And all you have to do now, you just go down here. So you keep going down and you click here on you come here to let people place my posts. You click in this sign here that like you say you so it's going to show for you a list like this. Then here can you choose if you want to add a play to all or only your posts. I'm going to click on play to all. That like you say let people place my posts, enable it with us now here when this color show for us. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.